Good morning, everybody, and welcome back for our day 2 on the Disney Wish. We started off this morning with breakfast at 1923, and we decided against going to the buffet and just doing the sit-down breakfast this morning. I decided to start off with the fruit plate, and Billy got the bagels and lox. For the main course, I got the French toast with honey butter, and then Billy got an omelet with everything. So this is during the princess reading, and we were able to get this. This is something that you have to book ahead of time, but as you can see, we were able to meet with Rapunzel, Belle, Tiana, Moana, and Cinderella. After meeting with all of the princesses, we decided to go ahead and spend the rest of our morning meeting other characters around the ship. For lunch, we decided to skip the buffet again, and we are back at 1923. I really enjoyed the way that they have this restaurant decorated. I had a really hard time deciding between appetizers today, so I started off with a Serrano ham and manchego cheese with bruschetta, as well as a marinated artichoke stem with arugula. And then Billy had the Mexican tortilla soup. For our entrees, I ended up getting the kids' tenderloin entree. Had green beans, mashed potatoes, and the server included a side of their peppercorn sauce. And Billy had the grilled halibut, and that came with rice and had some olives. Finally, for dessert, we shared the warm hazelnut chocolate molten cake, easily my favorite dessert of the cruise. Since tonight was Pirate Night, we decided to take some of our time and meet some of the characters all dressed in their Pirate Night outfits. Billy and I decided to stop by Hyperspace Lounge to get ourselves a pre-dinner drink. And here is what it looks like on the outside. It is right outside of Tiana's Bayou. And then once we get inside, you can see that they have it decorated as if you were on a Star Lounge. Alright, so we are here at Hyperspace Lounge. And this is the menu. When you open it up, it is on an iPad. And so they have alcohol-free cocktails, wines, and then beer. Hello. So for alcohol-free, there is a Cloud City and then a Temple Twist. Both of those are $8. And then cocktails, the Batu's Fire Sunset, Birkin's Flow, Chancellor, and Moons of Indoors, the golden one. There's Freetown Reserve, Pickled Minox, a Hyperfuel Coaxium box, and then this is where you can get the Kaibar crystal. That is their $5,000 drink. Alright, so I got the golden one, and that one has
So it's a mix of herbs and berries from the forest moon surface. It's Belvedere, blackberry, and lemongrass, and then amaretto velvet. The waitress had said that this is gonna be a lot like a creamsicle. And then Billy got one of their IPAs. This one was not on the menu because they were out of one of the beers that they had, so I don't have any real information on it. Since we ordered some drinks, they did drop off some bar snacks. Looks like we have some chocolate covered pretzels, those raspberry, blackberry gummies, and then honestly looks like dried fruit to me. I'm not sure exactly what that is. We are going into hyperspace. Alright, so we're here at Arendelle for dinner tonight. Here is the menu. This is very much like a Nordic sort of menu. As you can see, like for appetizers, they have a cold board that has like smoked salmon. They have a couple salads. Their soups are carrot soup and then a split pea soup. And then for entrees, they have like a pork tenderloin, cod. Thank you. Then desserts, there's an apple cake, a pancake roulade. And then I am not even going to attempt to pronounce the other one. There's a chocolate bar, and then they have a sundae as well. Alright, so here's the bread service for today. Looks like we have just a regular kind of crusty roll. And then there's also a roll that has some seeds and sunflower seeds on it. Looks really good. And then they have your butter and then a roasted onion dip.
So for appetizers, I got the baked scallops, and Billy is trying out the cold board.
Alright, this is the baked scallop appetizer. I was not expecting it to be this large of a dish. And it is got puff pastry on the top. And then if I can get into it. So the puff pastry makes it look like a much larger dish than what it is. Looks like there's one scallop, two scallops, so a couple scallops there in the bottom with some vegetables.
But I hope you all enjoy yourselves tonight, and I'll see you all very soon. And maybe you'll even sing with me later, yeah? Very good. All right, enjoy the party, my friends. Bye-bye, family.
Bye.
So morning. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great night.
So for our entrees, Billy ended up getting the King Agnar's dry rub roasted pork tenderloin, and that came with roasted chard, butternut squash, potatoes, and a red wine reduction. I got the Arendelle cough cake, and that was with roasted meatballs, rosemary cream reduction, egg noodles, and a lingonberry chutney. Finally, for dessert, I tried the Norwegian pancake roulade, which was like a crepe filled with a strawberry cream. And then Billy got the Troll Family Rock Bar, which was just pretty much a chocolate cake.
We're going to Pondicherry. We're going to check now if this is going to stay balanced.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's awesome. That's insane.
All this meat and
the swingin'est shanties. And bring your sea legs, you land lovers. If you keep your wits about you, you can keep having fun until your sails are sagging and your poop deck is all pooped out. Here's a final cannon blast before the big show. It's time to put your hands and hooks together for the most rockin' pirates around. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Captain Jack Sparrow. Yo-ho!
Yo-ho!
Yo-ho! A pirate's life for me! Find the rum.
Pirates! Now, I promise ye sparkling treasure, and sparkling treasure ye have!
So this is the end of night 2. We hope you enjoyed our Pirate Night, and we hope to see you back again for our Castaway Key Day. That will be the next video we have coming up. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.